Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Or maybe it's welcome to the channel for the very first time. Either way, I'm glad you're here and watching along this little project I've got going today. And if you want to see more projects that are coming in the future, hit that subscribe button and you'll be sure to find out. And to make doubly sure, hit that notification bell and that'll let you know as soon as I post a new video. But the project today is in the JKU for me, and it's the sun visors. And if you're like pretty much everybody that's had their JKU for longer than a couple of months, the rubber that's up here on your sun visors gets deteriorated and turns into crap and it falls off, and then when you're driving around, these things are just rattling around. Well, there's a pretty simple fix to that, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now you can buy a kit on Amazon, or you can use some other tubing to replace what's fallen off or broken off here on the sun visors. But either way, the first thing you've got to do is get this pin out of your sun visor. And it's actually pretty simple to do. It might take a little bit of muscle, but I'm leaving the sun visor installed here in the Jeep because it gives me some leverage. And all I'm going to do is pry this apart a little bit. And just like that. So you pull it apart, it's not going to snap, there's some give, and you can get the dowel pin out. And now we'll move over to the workbench. So this dowel pin is about 2 1/4 inches long, and it is 1/8 of an inch in diameter. So you need tubing that's a little bit shorter than 2.5 inches, and you need something that's at least 1/8 of an inch in diameter. And I happen to have some leftover windshield washer tubing, and I think that's going to work out perfectly. So the dowel is 2 1/4 inches long. I cut my tubing to be 2 inches long, so there's a little bit of dowel that'll hang out each end to go back into the sun visor. Here it is, all assembled, no lubrication required. I'll leave a link in the video description for the tubing that I'm using just as a reference for you, but I think this is all pretty common windshield washer tubing. But anything that's a 1/4 inch outer diameter with something that's a 1/8 inch inner diameter or bigger opening should work for you just fine. Let's go throw this back into the Jeep. And there you have it. It's all put back together. Now for the moment of truth. Perfect fit. And it stays. So that should solve the flopping around, all that noise, and should be good to go. Just do it on the other side and we'll be done. Maybe a total of a 5-minute job. And that's it for this project. Pretty simple, and hopefully it'll make it for a much quieter ride with these sun visors not flopping around and held in place. So if this video has been useful or helpful, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.